Water done. Noodles stewing. They do taste nicer when you've got them in a pan, boiling them up, but it's more things to carry. Happy little fire. It's nearly dead. So if you time it right, it's just practice to get the timing right. What the fuck is on that radio? I've only got one radio station I can listen to. All the rest of it is just black, 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 black. That's all it is. And all they play on Classic FM is Jewish music, like John Goodman, but at least it's not raping baby music. Right, that lot can go Betty Bites until the morning. See if you shove it all in one place and just dust a bit of water on it. Fortunately, I have plenty of water. So you don't need too much. There you go. And that gives me some charcoal because that'll dry out by morning. So relaxing. What's really annoying though is that for some reason I piss a lot in that hammock. Not in the hammock, but whilst I'm in the hammock I want to piss a lot. It's a case of, yeah, I can lean over and flop my cock out without having to get out. It's just, you got visions of like an owl thinking, oh look, it's a big white worm, I'll have that. And huge white worm, massive white worm, you know. So you're trying to cover it from an attack, whilst at the same time trying not to piss on the hammock and on your hand. So I think the last week, 5 times I go for a piss. And it's not as if I was just like drip, 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 trying to. It was a case of, you know, like half a gallon each time. I lost like 10 times my body weight in water. That is shit music. I got plenty of music on my phone. It's nice having non-predictable music, so you don't know exactly what's going to come on. Oh shit, I'm fucking wrecked. Just like the Star Trek theme tune, the original one. You know, like some cat being buggered by an elephant. Come on, Noodles, soften up. Yeah, it's getting there.